How to delete blocked contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down the list of apps until you find Phone and tap on it. Scroll down to find and tap on Blocked Contacts. Now, you can view all the contacts that are blocked. Now go back and open up your phone app. Once you are here, find out the blocked contact and tap on it. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Once you are on your editing page, scroll down and tap on Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete blocked contacts on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.